15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. That English actually doesn't work. Bring a cooler box. That is not right. What should I say? Bring a cooler. Bring a cooler. Let's do high touch. That does not work. How do you say it? Let's high five. Let's high five. I go to a compa. That does not work. What should I say? A drinking party. A drinking party. This is an open car. That sounds odd. What should I say? It is a convertible. It is a convertible. There is morning. That is not correct. How do you say it? A breakfast set. A breakfast set. Take a shower bath. That is not right. What should I say? Take a shower. Take a shower. This is at home shop. That does not work. How do you say it? It is cozy. It is cozy. Hit a PC. That is not correct. What should I say? Type on a computer. Type on a computer. It is cool biz. That does not work. How do you say it? Light clothing. Light clothing. The front glass broke. That is not right. What should I say? The windshield broke. The windshield broke. Look at the back mirror. That is not correct. How do you say it? The rearview mirror. The rearview mirror. Use touch panel. That is not right. What should I say? Use a touchscreen. Use a touchscreen. I have no energy. That sounds odd. What should I say? I am tired. I am tired. I did a no-show. That is not right. What should I say? A last-minute cancel. A last-minute cancel. It is silent mode. That is not correct. How do you say it? Silent mode. Silent mode. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.